it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be talking about Black Friday. Black Friday / Cyber Monday is one of the best times to stock up on supplies for cosplay, as it is the time of the year that tends to have the greatest discounts and deals. So I'm going to talk about how to prepare and get the most for your buck. So tip number one is to really break down everything you're going to need for your projects for the coming year. So I personally have been using the Cosplanner app. I've just been using the free version, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below. But it's a great way to break down the costume down to the glue and thread and wig that you're going to need for that project, and also a way to have reference photos in there as well. So you don't necessarily need to use that app, but I definitely recommend either making a list, writing in your journal, whatever is your way of planning your costumes. Definitely recommend breaking everything down, and a lot of online shops have the option to put items on a wish list, so that way you can keep track of the specific color or size of an item that you need, especially wigs. That's a great way to organize your wig options. And tip number two is to do research if you're planning on purchasing a big ticket item, something that would be an investment like a sewing machine or a power tool or a dress form, something like that. Research what make and model works best for you, and then look around and see what shops sell them so that you can pay attention to which shops has the best deals once Black Friday sales start. And tip number three is then to prepare by subscribing to newsletters for companies that you're interested in, or downloading coupon apps. A lot of craft stores will have special discounts if you download the app, so they'll send like a bonus coupon to the app, so that's the reason why you want to make sure that you have those. And then tip number four is to look back through social media and look at what sales have gone in the past, so you know what days to look for and what companies you think are going to be having sales, so you can pay attention and keep an ear out for when those sales do activate. So I hope you found this video helpful if you are planning on stocking up on supplies during Black Friday / Cyber Monday. If there are any tips that I haven't mentioned, let me know in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.